matata.
Nakula watakula,
Hakuna matata.
choma kita choma,
Hakuna matata.
tunywe maji mengi,
Hakuna matata.
wote tutafika.
Hakuna matata.
Pole pole,
Hakuna matata.
oh wageni wetu.
Hakuna matata.
$7.15, we will give you hot water for washing. We have this bucket. We'll put hot water and we'll put enough washing basin here. So when you come from your tent, come to the bucket, open the amount of water that you want to be hot, go back to your tent, wash, and then 7:30, just come here for breakfast. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mwinyi from Kilimanjaro Heroes Adventure. We are here on Mount Kilimanjaro at Shira Camp 1, which is 3,600 meters, or in feet is 11,000 feet 500. It's a beautiful morning, but with a little foggy. I'm here with 15 people from America. They are all doing very good after breakfast. If you see, they're almost ready, waiting to go to the next camp. And we'll go to Shira Camp 2, which is not too long, but first we'll go to Shira Cathedral, which in total will be like 10 kilometers or 6 miles. We'll go Pole Pole. And why we'll go to Cathedral? Because we need to acclimatize. That is one of the golden rule. If you want to do well on the mountain, you have to acclimatize. What kind of acclimatization? Climb high and sleep low. This is the thing we are going to do today. We are on Mount Kilimanjaro now, Shira Cathedral. Do you know Mount Kilimanjaro first is the highest peak in Africa?
Yes.
But do you know the volcano is not dead?
Oh.
Do you know the volcano is not dead?
Oh.
But it's not active. It's dormant. It's dormant.
Yes.
It's dormant. It's sleeping.
Yes.
My name is Mwinyi from Kilimanjaro Heroes Adventure. We are here on Mount Kilimanjaro with 15 Americans. Woo! This is day 4 on Mount Kilimanjaro. Wow, look at the weather. Very good weather.
Amazing.
And yes, very good weather. And by looking, I see all on your face, I can see all of you on top of Kilimanjaro. Good morning, my name is Mwinyi from Kilimanjaro Heroes Adventure. I'm the mountain guide. Good morning!
Good morning.
We are here at Barranco Camp on Mount Kilimanjaro. And today is our day 5, right?
Day 5.
Yeah. And what are we going to do today? We'll go to climb the wall, Barranco wall.
Yes.
What I can say by looking, it looks scary. But when you go to climb, it's nice and fun. Thank you for your coming.
And we will pass the word.
Yeah, and then I want to say, yeah, wherever you go in Pakistan, America, wherever, and you see some people want to climb Kilimanjaro, so please, we have this company, Kilimanjaro Heroes. And once a hero, always a hero. We're here at the Millennium Camp on Mount Kilimanjaro. This is our last day, day 8.
Yes, sir.
First of all, congratulations you guys, because all of them, they made it to the top. We are going all the way to the gate. Everyone is happy. Thank you guys for everything. The tipping was good. Thank you for choosing this company.